Dreaming of starting your own business but constrained by a tight budget? Is it possible to transform a small investment into a thriving enterprise? Yes, it is. And today we'll delve into how you can make that happen. Step 1. Choose the right business. Consider what your local market needs and what you're skilled at and passionate about. This could be anything from a home-based baking business, a handyman service, or even an online consultancy firm. Step 2. Identify a suitable location. If you're running a physical store, ensure it's in a place where your target customers frequent. If it's an online business, make sure your website or platform is user-friendly and accessible. Step 3. Attract regular customers. Foster personal relationships with your customers, showing care by providing excellent service, value for money, and the right product range. Step 4. Create a profitable business model. Keep a close eye on your income and expenses to ensure you're making a profit. Step 5. Gather information on customer retention and churn. Use this data to make informed decisions about your business. Step 6. Maintain a balance between investment and operations. Keep a healthy balance to ensure there's sufficient cash flow for business growth and expansion. Step 7. Utilize investments and bank loans. These can help you start a more organized or larger business if needed. Now, let's shift gears to the second part of our journey. Step 8. Regularly plan your business. Review your business objectives and roadmap regularly. Step 9. Utilize marketing and distribution strategies. Promote your product or service using social media, email marketing, websites, apps, or local marketing events. Step 10. Utilize research and advanced technology. This can help enhance your business efficiency and proficiency. Step 11. Fulfill your religious and social responsibilities. Participating in social activities and giving importance to the welfare of society through your business operations can have a profound impact on the reputation of your business. Step 12. Consider customer feedback and improve your business. This could help generate new ideas and services for your business. Step 13. Maintain a healthy and strong mentality. Running a business requires a strong mentality more than anything. To wrap up, let's delve into the final part of our journey. Step 14. Seek business training and advice. If you lack experience in running a business, training and advice are crucial for business development. Step 15. Test your business idea through business experiments. Use market research and statistics to test your idea or business to avoid wasting time and money. Step 16. Personal branding and brand distribution. Managing your own brand can help stabilize your product or service and define brand characteristics. This can help increase your sales, and through brand distribution at a low cost, you can create a global customer base. Step 17. Provide necessary means for new initiatives. Your small amount of money can provide the necessary means for new initiatives. To summarize, starting a business with little money is not only possible but can lead to significant success if done right. By choosing the right business, attracting regular customers, creating a profitable business model, and maintaining a strong mentality, you can turn a small investment into a thriving enterprise. So gear up and embark on your entrepreneurial journey today.